Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. Today's video is a cleaning video. Before we left Finland to Nigeria, I was really busy. I was doing my internship, working as well. So my husband has been the one doing most of the cooking. So you guys can imagine how our kitchen will be. It was not looking good at all. So we decided to clean the house before traveling, and I don't really like leaving my house dirty whenever I'm traveling. I like cleaning my house before traveling, coming back to clean house. So we decided to clean the house so that we'll come back to a fresh, clean home. Usually we clean on Saturdays, but because I've been very busy, we've not cleaned for thorough cleaning for like 2 weeks straight. So I wasn't ready to go another weekend without cleaning. I made this video on a Wednesday because we'll be traveling on Friday. Whenever I want to deep clean my house, the first place I start with is my kitchen, because we do a lot of cooking here. We love home foods, so we do a lot of cooking in my kitchen. And the first thing I do in my kitchen are my dishes. I put my dishes away before I start cleaning. I always clean in a particular order. First, I put the dishes away, clean under my sink, and then I'll go ahead to clean my cabinet, microwave, my extractor, and then I'll move to my oven, my stove, before moving to other things. So here, I started cleaning my extractor. I've been wanting to ask this question: how often do you wash the hood of your extractor? This specific one gets dirty easily, like quickly. I don't know, maybe because we cook a lot, it gets dirty in like 1 week, 2 weeks, and the dirt will be visible, like very, very visible. I get easily irritated by it. I can't go 2 weeks without washing this extractor hood. I'm not talking about the lower part of the hood though. I'm talking about the upper part, the one I was cleaning the other time, not this place I'm cleaning now. Of course, I clean this place like often. I clean it every time because we do a lot of cooking, and I clean it like every other day or whenever I'm done cooking or frying something. I'm talking about the body of the hood. How often do you wash the body of your extractor hood? Let me know in the comments. The human beings I'm living with cannot just get it right. I'm always rearranging this cabinet whenever I'm not the one that puts the plate in the cabinet. Whenever someone else take the plate out of the dishwasher to put it back in the cabinet, they always scatter my cabinet. I was just rearranging it here, guys. I'm tired of this, my people. But I love them. They help. I can't do it all. I can't. Can you guys see how dirty this tray was? That is a sign that we cook a lot. I'll go ahead and wash everything. When I was done with the cabinet, I went ahead to clean my oven, and this oven was very, very dirty, as you guys can see here. it was very dirty. So I cleaned it and I found this stubborn stain that refused to go away. I tried to use my nails to scratch it, but it wasn't going away. So I decided to apply product and let it sit for a little bit before wiping it off. One thing I've come to realize is that having the right product and a good product make cleaning day easier. I use a lot of products whenever I'm cleaning. I use products that remove stain easily, that will remove oil, limestone when I'm washing my toilet, of course. Whenever you're washing your shower, your bathroom, your WC, using a product that removes limestone easily is a must, because you just apply it and go do something else and you come back, wash it off, and you get a squeaky, nice, clean house. As you guys can see, I dismantled my oven, removed the glass, removed the racks, and after washing, drying, I'll put everything together and put it back. My secret to cleaning for hours and not getting tired easily is listening to music, dancing, and also using good products. This video is a very realistic cleaning video. This is how I do my cleaning at home. So after cleaning, we all go to brush our teeth because we were already tired at this point, and we'll eat breakfast. So I'll just allow you guys to enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.